everyone, my name is Peter Hollens and I am a musician here on YouTube. I make videos with just my voice and mouth, and I'm here to give you guys a sports fun fact. Did you guys all know that a microwaved baseball flies a lot farther than a frozen one? Because I did, and that's why in T-ball I used to microwave all my balls. I hit some home runs. Okay, anyway, I'll see you guys later. Check out the links down below of the team, and if you want to hear me sing, click on my link. And that's all. Goodbye.